Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a beautiful crochet flower pattern. For this crochet project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook size and line brand 4-ply yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Then with the help of crochet hooks, pull the second yarn through first one. Now we are going to start our first round. Make chain 1, wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this. From this ring, draw up a loop by pulling the yarn. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. This is half double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook again. Go into this magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through all 3 loops together to make half double crochet stitch. Then make half double crochet 3, half double crochet 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have made 10 half double crochet stitches to make 5 petal flower. You can make 12 stitches if you want to make 6 petals as well. Now pull this yarn and close the magic ring. In this first stitch, make a slip stitch. Our first round is completed. Now we will start second round. For the second round, make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, we are going to make double crochet stitch which will be unfinished. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this. Go into this same stitch where we have made slip stitch and then draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops only and wrap the yarn again. Second time, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops. Wrap the yarn again. Third time, pull up and pull through 2 loops. Again, fourth time, so these are 4 time stitches. Make fifth one, and then into the same stitch make unfinished double crochet sixth time. Now we have total of 7 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through all these 7 loops together like this to make a bubble stitch. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and then chain 4. Now make 4 chains and make a slip stitch into this next stitch, which is a little bit invisible due to more stitches in this stitch. So make a slip stitch here. Now to start the second one, we have to make a slip stitch into this next stitch. So make a slip stitch into the next one and start working. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Into the same stitch make unfinished double crochet 1, unfinished double crochet 2, unfinished double crochet 3, unfinished double crochet 4, then 5, and the last one is 6. So after making 6 one, we have 7 loops on our crochet hook again. Pull the yarn through all these loops together and now make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to make a slip stitch into the next stitch. You can see it is a little bit invisible, but here is this stitch, so we have to make a slip stitch into this stitch, which is right after this stitch in which we were working. Now make a slip stitch into the next stitch and we will make the same pattern. Make 3 chains, make unfinished double crochet stitches 6 times and then finish them together by pulling the yarn through all 7 loops on the hook. Then make 4 chains and slip stitch into the next stitch. So this is the pattern. Follow it for the next 3 petals of this flower. So I have completed all the bubbles. Here is our last stitch. In this stitch we will make our slip stitch. Now we will make a slip stitch into this stitch also. Cut the yarn end and we will weave these yarn ends with the help of needle. Now pull the needle into the back side of flower and just weave this yarn end into some backside stitches like this. Weave the other yarn end with the same method. So I have woven the yarn ends at the back side and make a knot of these two yarn strands as well and cut them. Now we will make central part bubble stitch with contrasting color of yarn. I am using this color. So first of all, make a slip knot like this. Then with the help of crochet hook, we will make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Now we are going to work into the first chain, so make one more chain. 3 chains will be counted as our first double crochet stitch and fourth chain will be used to make our bubble stitch. So wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this, go into this first chain, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, pull the yarn through 2 loops. Same process which we have made in the flower as well. Wrap the yarn again, go into the chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, wrap the yarn again, go into the chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, 4, 5 and then 6. Now we have 7 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through all 7 loops together and you can see our bubble stitch made. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now this part is made. Cut the extra yarn strand and we are going to weave this bubble in the center of this flower. So pull the yarn, now with the help of needle we are pulling this yarn at the back side like this. Now for the next strand, first of all pull it from this side to this one by weaving it into some stitches. I will show you the process. From here pull it like this, weave it through some stitches and take it to the opposite side of this side right here. So we are going to take it at the back side like this. Here is our front side. Now we are simply going to make 2 knots of these yarn strands. Don't make this knot too tightly so that the shape of flower becomes ugly. It should be like this, minor tight, and then make another knot. Now cut the extra yarn strands and our flower is ready. So this crochet flower is super famous and is used in many of crochet products. I have used it in a baby sweater. You can see a smaller video and I will add pictures of this sweater at the end of this video as well. So this is how I have used this flower and it is looking gorgeous. So you can use it for oversized pullover sweaters and it can be used for front open cardigans, and this flower is used for baby products and for ladies cardigans as well. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more future uploads like this. I will be sharing many more crochet flower patterns on my channel in future. So stay connected to get them all. Press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.